If it's a classic dive watch you're looking for, the Seamaster 300 is one of the best examples of the new school meets old school look when it comes to watchmaking. These both are beautiful 300s, and we have in stock here. One is actually the trilogy edition here to the left, which you'll notice a few small differences. This has a complete sandwich dial with a khaki-colored patina all the way through, and it also has the lollipop hands dial, which I think is just such a beautiful homage to the original Seamaster diver with the bezel. If you want something just a little bit more modern looking, this one here does have the patina markers, but also with white Arabic numerals, as well as a white sweep hand there, which I do think makes it look a little bit more modern. And I also love that you get a choice between the alternate finishings here on this bracelet, either a polished versus brushed inner or outer link. Pick your poison, take a look at both of these pictures. There's so many fascinating things to see with both of these watches, and we've got them in stock, ready to ship today at SwissWatchExpo.com.